Hello guys, welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to find stack tax document on your Cash App. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that in this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you already shop on Amazon, you can save hundreds, if not thousands of dollars by getting Amazon Prime subscription. If you'd like to not save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find it in this video description. As you can see right here, it's in the middle, like the center, where they're gonna select Amazon deal, and click on the Amazon Prime trial, and that's the link right there. I recommend this subscription because it can save you a lot of money, and you can cancel anytime, which is a huge privilege to cancel something that you don't like at any time. But I highly recommend it. Like, check it out. Now let's get back to video. Like I said, I'll show you how to find stack tax document on your Cash App. So first, we'll start by opening up the Cash App. Once you go on this main screen right here, like look on the upper right hand corner, very top right there, you're gonna see a profile icon or a picture with a circle and a dot inside it. So make sure you select that little dot up on the right hand corner. Once you go on this main screen right here, select on document. You're gonna see documents right there. Select on documents. And once you go on this document right here, they're gonna say there's two categories, there's stacks and there's the big one. But for us, we stay on the stacks. Click on the stacks right there. Once you get here, there's the document type. So make sure you select the tax document right there. Make sure you select this one right here. Once you select this, and that's how you find your stack tax document on your Cash App. If you have any other question, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. If you can find it in this video description, as I said earlier, and I highly recommend it for you to check it out, as you can save a lot of money. And thank you for watching.